Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to install your stapling finisher to your Konica Minolta copier. Your stapling finisher is this unit right here on the left, and of course this is your copier. This video will apply to all the 4 Series models. When I mean 4 Series, I'm referring to the Bizhub 224E, 364E, 454E, and 554E. Pretty much all the models that end with a 4. So let's get started. The very first thing we're going to need to do is install the trays on this finisher. And if you bought the machine from us, the trays will be located in the back here, just like that. You have 2 trays. You got your bottom tray there and you got your top tray there. Okay, now one thing I need to stress out, and it's very important, is do not connect this finisher without those trays on. If you do so, this bracket here will move all the way up and it can snap your main drive gear inside of it, so you definitely don't want to do that. So once again, do not turn on the copier or connect this finisher without these trays installed. Now I'm going to show you how to install these trays. It's very easy. What we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver. We're using an electric one, but you can use a basic Phillips number 2 hand screw, but for this video, to make it quicker, we're going to use an electric screw. So we're going to take out 2 screws. If you got the machine from us, you're going to find the 2 screws right there. So we're going to remove that just like that, and we're going to get our larger tray, which is a tray in the bottom, and behind that you got your brackets there on the tray. You just have to slide that down into position just like that, and make sure that the holes, you can see the holes there. And once you do, you just screw it in just like that. Very simple. It doesn't have to be super tight. It's just like that. Second, we're going to get our we're going to get our upper tray, and you got 3 little latches sticking out of it here, and you got 3 insertions there, slots I should say. You just pop it in there by hand, drop it in there just like that. Now, second thing we're going to do is if you bought the machine from us, you're going to find a little bag here with brackets. This is your brackets that connect your finisher to the machine, pretty much hold the finisher to it. You got a small bracket and a large bracket. The large bracket goes in the back, the smaller one goes in the front. Now, you will find a screw there. You have to take that out. Then you put your bracket in there. Make sure that L shape is pointing that way, just like that. It's that simple. Then you're going to take the screw out of there, put your bracket just like that, just tighten it. So when you're done, it's going to look just like that. It's that simple. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to find a cable that's coming out of the finisher. Let me make my way over to the back of the machine. Now you're going to find a decorative cover here on the back. Sometimes it might have a screw there. If it does, if you pull on it and it holds like that, just like that, I mean, there's a screw there. But most of the time, we just leave that screw out. So you just pop that out. You just pop this decorative cover just like that. You're going to get your cable coming out of your finisher just like that, and you're going to plug it in to the back of the machine. So now you're left with this cable connected like that. You can put your decorative cover back on just like that. I'm doing this with one hand, so it might be a little difficult. Okay, so make sure that cable is coming from the bottom slot here, and just like that, and just push it in there and it stays in position. You can put the screw there. We normally don't. The machines usually go against the wall anyway, so it doesn't matter. So let me make my way back over here. Next step is you're going to bring the finisher close in a V shape like that, and you're going to get the cable coming out of the bridge here, and you're going to plug it in just like that. So you got this cable coming out of the bridge, and you're going to make sure it plugs in just like that, nice and seated. Once you have that, you're going to open up your front door, and you're going to pull a metal bracket out just like that, and you're going to line the finisher. Make sure the bracket in the back goes in there, and then you push that in. Make sure it's all the way in. So once it's in there, if you have any trouble pushing this in, it could be that your carpet is nice, it's a little flush. Our carpet's flat, as you can see. I usually just stick my feet in there and I lift up, put a little pressure up so I could take some weight off the copier, and I push it in. Now some people like to put a little screw in there just as a safety precaution. It's really not a big deal. We never put a screw there. But if you want, you can find a screw and put it in there. It just holds the bracket, but I haven't seen one pop out yet. So anyhow, once that's done, you just open up your front door and there's a power button here. You turn it on and there you have it. Your finisher is connected and you can now use your copier. If you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call or visit us online. Thank you for watching.